Morning, world. We're having coffee this morning at a viewpoint, waiting for the sun to come up. Not sure what to expect. It is quite misty, but we hope that we can actually see the sun coming up. That's why we woke up to come and see the sun rise. But it's such a beautiful morning. It's a winter's morning. It's today. I think it's the 14th of July today. Sorry, I'm on holiday. I'm not keeping track of the days. But we came all the way from Port Elizabeth to come and visit some family. But while we're here, we thought let us just come and do some sightseeing. We originally from the Western Cape. We grew up in between Plet and Knysna, but there's a lot of spots that we actually realized that we've never been to. So now we're exploring, bringing our kids as well. My husband is from Eastern Cape. He likes new adventures, and so he's bringing us to all these beautiful spots. But also thanks to friends of ours who invited us. I think last year they invited us to come and have dinner at their place, and that's how we actually came across this place, which is beautiful. But I think it will be even more beautiful when the sun is up, when there's actually sun and you can see over the city of Knysna. But yeah, I just thought I'd give you a sneak preview of this viewpoint. It's called Margaret's Viewpoint. If ever you are in Knysna and you want to do a sunrise, yeah, come and make a stop here. Have a good day. Bye.